In this video, I will show you why an IObit Uninstaller is important for PC. Go to your browser. Type IObit Uninstaller download. Click official site. Download for Windows. Go to download the file location. Click to open and install. Sometimes we install software on PC for different reasons, but when we want to delete that software, it gives us a lot of pain. Because all these software files remain on the PC and are not completely deleted. So we should use IObit Uninstaller tool. Because it is the official tool that helps us to completely uninstall any software from PC. The main window of IObit Uninstaller displays 6 main features: Programs, Software Health, Install Monitor, Browser Extensions, Windows Apps, and Action Center. If you want to stay updated with technology, if you are interested in PC tricks, PC problem solutions, software reviews, Windows related problems, then please you can subscribe to our channel.